Okay, the final weekend of March coming to an end. By the way, if you don't connect with me on my Facebook page, it's if you do a Google search in Facebook for Portland weather, you'll find my page. I just posted this forecast model. This basically shows this solid rain band at 5 a.m. Tomorrow morning, Monday morning, and the timing has this band moving into Portland around midnight tonight, and then the back end maybe clearing us by 7 a.m. And then also I write gusty south winds 30 to 40 miles per hour early morning, like maybe around 6 or so, as this cold front moves in. But then we get occasional shots of rain that just continue coming during the day. It looks like a really wet day. Forecast model suggests a half of an inch. I'm wondering if it's not a lot more than that. If you look at the pattern, you're like, gee whiz, I mean, could we get more like an inch of rain? Dew points, though, are not that high, only around low 40s in the morning. So it's probably more like the half of an inch. So we'll see how that goes. Snow levels eventually will fall down to about 2,000 feet. Let me get out of my chair and see if we can see anything on the current radar. Haven't even looked at this myself. Yeah, see the current radar, just evening showers, not many of them back to our west. But I bet you we can see something on the satellite. Oh, where are you at? Satellite and radar. Let's click it and see what we got. On this infrared picture, there's a front back here, and you see the moisture flow just kind of trails right into us. And then this is cold air where you see the speckled cloudiness in this loop back up into the Gulf of Mexico. So the front is out there. It comes in early tomorrow morning, and then things really get kind of wacky in a hurry. So behind this, I have, scattered showers and maybe some hail. We're in a cold pocket on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we start to calm down a little bit after that. Let me pop up my 7-day forecast. And one of the tails on the 7-day forecast, whoops, sorry for everything going back and forth, is just how uncertain the 7-day numbers have been. So right now I realize we have a bad reflection on the monitor, but I keep highs in the 50s, at least some rain chance much of the week. Right now I show a dry Sunday, but the tail is forecast models have been back and forth. Understand these things, most of them come out about every 6 hours. And they literally, one run would come out and it would show, gee, we're just kind of cool and showery through the first week of April. That's next week, actually. And then the very same model will come out and they go, oh no, we're going to dry out. And it could be 70 maybe a week from tomorrow. And they've just been back and forth. So the models still just really aren't sure how we're going to settle. And we may not have a good idea of what even this upcoming weekend is going to be until we get to maybe Wednesday or so. So if you do want to know what the coming weather is, I think we're all going to have to be patient and see how it all settles in. All right, sorry for the bad reflection. I'll lean that way to get rid of that light, and I'll talk to you soon.